In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark ClickUp task as completed, 2026 tutorial. Marking tasks as complete in ClickUp is quick, clear, and incredibly satisfying. It helps your team see progress at a glance and keeps your workspace tidy by moving finished work out of the way. I'll walk you through it in list view, and note that the same idea works in board view too, so use whichever layout you prefer. Start by opening the space or project you want to work in. Once you're there, switch to the list view if you're not already in it. List view is great for making fast updates because you see your tasks, their statuses, and the action icons all in one compact line. For this demo, let's create a simple task so you can follow along. Click Add Task, give it a clear name, and then click Save. Short descriptive names make it much easier to scan your list and understand what's done versus what still needs attention. Now, to mark a task as completed right from the list, look for the small circle to the left of the task's name. Click that circle, and a quick menu will appear. Choose Complete. That's it. In many workspaces, completed tasks will immediately disappear from this list view. Don't worry, nothing's been deleted. Your filters are simply hiding finished tasks to keep the list focused. If you ever need to review what's done, you can adjust your view filters or open a completed section, depending on how your view is configured. Let's do another one with the second method. Click directly into a task to open its details. Inside the task, you'll see a checkmark or tick control near the top. Click that tick, and the task is instantly marked as completed. You'll see the status update, and when you close the task, it will be treated as done in your list as well. You can also update a task's status from the status field in List View. If it currently says something like To Do or In Progress, switch it to Complete. This is especially handy when you're reviewing multiple tasks and want to wrap them up quickly. The same concept applies in Board View. Updating the status to complete will mark the task as finished. And that's all there is to it. With just a click or two, you can keep your progress visible, your priorities clear, and your workspace uncluttered. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more practical walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.